Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. How are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. I'm Muzammil Manaf. I'm a alim and fazil. My brothers and my sisters. Today I'm here to present a speech on education and why it is important. Ladies and gentlemen, education plays very important role in everyone's life. It is necessary to live great and better life. For that, it is very important to get a good and proper education. The word of education not only means the acquire knowledge. The first objective of getting the good education is become a good citizen, and then become a successful person in personal and professional life. Good education will always increases our confidence level and help us to determine what is the wrong and what is the right for us. Good education make us the right thinker. Good education make us the right decision maker. The good education is a help us to develop personality and earn the recognition and respect in family and society. Socially and personally, education is the essential part of our life. Dear brothers and sisters, in this competitive world, education is the important thing. So never ignore the importance of education in your life. In our life, in our society, the lot of issues, the social issues are happening just because a lack of the education. The social issues like inequality and gentle determination and religious differences and child abuse, child labor, etc. If we are educated, it will help us to maintain our personal and professional status to our daily life. Education, you can educate every time. There is no age barrier to educate. No age barrier to gain education. Education is the fundamental right. Education is the fundamental right of everyone. Education is the key to solve all problem of the people. I conclude my speech. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.